Congratulations to finding the bottle bowl machine manufacturer. We are the manufacturer of bottle bowl machine for 15-year experience in Guangzhou, China. Let me show you our factory.
We are the sales manufacturer of customized bottle bowling machine in Guangzhou. We specialize in producing all kinds of bottle bowling machines, whether it's fruit and beverage bottles, water bottles, plastic bottles, daily chemical bottles. Most of bottles on the market can be customized. Our factory is located in Baiyun District, Guangzhou City, very close to Baiyun Airport, covering an area of 5,000 square meters. We have sold machines to more than 50 countries around the world with a very management solution capabilities. Welcome to consult me for more information about